Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam-API64.dll missing error. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your browser, go to the website that is called DLL-files.com and here what you need to do is to write on the search Steam-API64.dll, and then you need to download a 64 or 32 bits version. And if you don't know what version to download, it's super fast and easy to check. You just need to go on search and then write about your PC, and then you will see here what bit you're running on your system. And then after that, you just need to download, for me, 64-bit file here. So as you can see here, we need to wait for a few seconds, then I will save it on desktop. And then what you need to do here next is to extract this file here. And after you do so, you should see extracted version here. So what you need to do here when you got the file here is to copy this file and then leave it as it is for now, and then I will show you what you need to do here next. Then after you got these two files here, Steam API 64 and Steam API 64 copy, then you need to go to your disk C, then you need to go to Windows, System 32, and then you need to drag this file here to System 32 folder, right? And press replace it, press continue, and after that, then you can give it a name, just delete copy and dash thing here. And then what you need to do here is to go to Windows here and then look for sysvow 64, and then you just need to drag this thing here, right? And the problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.